Most cyber industry reports use historical data, reporting on what happened last year. Cyber trends change too rapidly. Standard industry reports aren't good enough for CISOs today. My cyber risk forecast uses current data attacks, global indicators, and probabilistic algorithms to look into the future 30, 60, and 90 days and identify the next trends, quantify the risk, and get actionable advice CISOs should be implementing now to minimize financial and operational impacts across all industries. And I show you how to explain this to your executives and boards so you can get the support you need. Let's face it, nobody wants to be the person explaining a breach that could have been predicted. If you want the unfair advantage of 90-day foresight, subscribe today and become the smartest person in the room, guaranteed. I'm Charlene Deaver Vasquez, and this is the Cyber Risk Forecast.